Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix mixtape game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, showing black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it. Click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to run the game as admin. So for that, select your game under library section. Right click on it. Click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Select it. Right click on it. Click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If you cannot launch the game, then come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. But if you cannot find the game, no need to worry, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK and then launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and see if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to the Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and here under general, enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Website opens, go below, click on the link to download. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to simply open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, whatever you get. Wait for a few minutes. Now close this, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game once again and check if you can play it. If not, you should check if their Windows needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available for your Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall mixtape game once again and then try to play the game and see if the game is launching or not. So these solutions will surely help to fix mixtape game crashing, not launching, not opening, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, black screen, lagging, low FPS, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.